was wounded 20 minutes after shooting this phase of the air assault. The targets are dug-in Jap fortifications. Following up the 10th Air Force sorties, a Chinese regiment moves up to take a heavily defended enemy position in a Muslim cemetery. Bamo falls on 15th December after 28 days of siege. To speed the flow of materiel southward as Allied units hammer the retreating Japs, a heavy-duty bridge across the Irrawaddy River is needed. Here at Lekapani, near Ledo in Assam, equipage for a 25-ton pontoon bridge ends its long journey by rail from India. Shifted to semi-trailers and bound for the distant river crossing at Michinaw, the equipage rolls down the Ledo Road. Via railroad and truck, over dirt road and marshland causeway, the bridging equipment is expedited by every practical means. On the hairpin curves of the Ledo Road in the mountains between Warrazup and Kamang, the semi-trailers run into trouble here because of their overall length of 53 feet. Transportation is delayed 2 weeks as the curves are widened. Despite this, some of the trailers shaved the embankments, damaging a few pontoons. Mogong, where a 30-mile stretch of track connects with Michinaw. Here, the pontoon equipage is transferred back to flat cars for the last lap of the journey. Riding along, too, are newly trained Chinese troops moving up to the Salween front. Early in December, the bridge construction equipment reaches the end of the line, Michinaw. An engineer light pontoon company assigned to the project hauls the pontoons to the bridge site on the banks of the Irrawaddy. Construction by parts is the method chosen for the Irrawaddy span. While the bridge is begun with the formal method of construction by successive pontoons, 4-boat, 3-bay parts are assembled at other points on the near shore and maneuvered into position. Routes of communication in the rugged terrain of North Burma continue of strategic importance in the Allied drive to rout the Japs above Mandalay. While the advance elements, such as the specialized American combat troops known as the Mars Task Force, are frequently supplied by parachute, heavy equipment must go overland via truck and pack mule. This heavy-duty pontoon bridge near Michinaw is the first major span over the Irrawaddy, regarded as a highway through the center of Burma. Over the new bridge will go construction equipment for roads and airstrips, as well as armored vehicles in force. Completed pontoon bridge. Although its normal capacity is 25 tons, it may be reinforced to accommodate tank loads up to 35 or 40 tons. Chinese infantrymen cross, en route to the front. South of Michinaw on 7th December, the Mohawk River is forded by elements of a tank group. They're proceeding down the unfinished Ledo Road to assist in the reduction of the besieged Jap stronghold at Bamo. Arriving there on 16th December, the tank group is 1 day too late to take part in the kill. War dogs behind Jap lines on 4th December. As part of the Mars Task Force, which has taken over the infiltrating tactics of Merrill'sl Marauders, a Yank battalion drives southwest from Bamo. 4 members of the India-Burma War Dogs Detachment scout jungle trails. Each dog works with the same soldier at all times. Handlers prepare the food for their own dogs. Meanwhile, another American battalion bypasses encircled Bamo to strike southwest. As British, Chinese, and Americans drive southward, they come closer and closer to a solid juncture with the old Burma Road supply line to China. From Michinaw, the battalion has marched more than 200 miles in 14 days. An incident of the trail. Mule skinners coaxed their charge out of a stream near Shwegu. Woven bamboo mats are used to repair the bridge. During mid-December, this Mars Task Force element was closer to Mandalay than any other Allied unit in Burma. British troops on 30th November advance on Pinway, 174 miles north of Mandalay. Major General Francis W. Festing is in command.